These are all of the products na meron ako to prep my skin or yung mga nilalagay ko bago mag-makeup. Combination to ng moisturizer and primers and as you can see talagang overflowing na siya kaya kailangan ko na talaga siyang bawasan. Ito yung first product na tatanggalin ko from my collection. This one is from BLK and ito yung kanilang mattifying stick. Unfortunately, this one hindi ko na siya nagamit after, I don't know, 5-6 times because I feel like yung formula niya and even yung performance, same lang naman sa Quick FX. So basically, para siyang stick version lang. Look at that, diba? Sobrang dami niya pang laman and sayang lang. Kaya ide-declutter ko na lang siya and ibibigay ko sa alam ko magagamit siya. Next up is from BYS. This is yung kanilang face primer and as you can see, medyo madami na ding bawas. But I feel like medyo matagal na din yung last time na ginamit ko to. I believe October pa. Actually, okay naman to. It's just that hindi siya yung klase ng primer na kapag nakikita ko sa drawer, pumapasok sa isip ko na gamitin agad. Ide-declutter ko na lang din and ibibigay ko sa alam kong magagamit siya. So I also have here two Quick FX No Shine Mattifier and yung isa ide-declutter ko na which is this one. Yung na-open ko na or nagamit ko na because I feel like expired na to. And konti na lang yung laman eh. Ito na lang fresh sachet yung i-keep natin, yung hindi ko pa nabubuksan para sigurado talagang bago yung laman sa loob and hindi pa na-expose sa hangin and dirt. Ito din guys, medyo matagal na yung last na gamit ko kaya feeling ko expired na. But if you're looking for a baby skin pore eraser dupe, okay na okay to guys. This one is yung AOA na Wonder Skin. And I believe I got this for only 90 something pesos. Ayan, tignan nyo guys. Nakaka-mattify talaga siya ng skin. This one is from iWhite Korea Aqua Pure Gel Toner yung tawag sa kanya. And actually nice naman to. Very hydrating, very moisturizing. It's just that mas prefer kong ginagamit is the Aqua Moisturizer. Kaya eto na lang yung i-keep ko tapos eto naman ide-declutter ko na siya. So we also have here the Soul White Korea Instant White na tuk-tuk ata yung tawag dito or chok-chok. I'm not sure. Medyo matagal ko na ding hindi nagagamit to kaya ide-declutter ko na. But for those of you na naghahanap ng cream na pagka nilagay sa face parang nag-i-instant glow or may instant whitening effect, okay na okay to guys. And yeah, that's it guys. Yun lang naman yung reason ko kung bakit ko siya ide-declutter. Hindi ko na nagagamit. I'm also going to declutter this one from Revlon. This one is the Rose Glow Photo Ready Primer. This one is actually really nice if you have normal or dry skin kasi it gives that illuminating finish or glow. But unfortunately, I have oily skin kaya hindi ko masyadong ma-appreciate tong isang to. Tsaka ang dami niya pa kasi guys. Sayang naman kung may expire lang kaya I need to declutter this one na talaga para, mapakinabangan siya ng alam nating magagamit siya. And here we have it guys. These are all of the products or skin prep products na tatanggalin ko from my collection. I know hindi siya ganun kadami but honestly not bad for our first declutter this year. This time, dito naman tayo sa aking foundation collection. And as you can see, actually I don't have naman super daming foundation. Well, madami pa din siya for a regular person but for a makeup YouTuber, honestly, parang hindi naman ganun kadami, di ba? So I have here 3 shades ng Maybelline Superstay Foundation and magde-declutter ako ng isa and that is the shade 128 because hindi ko na siya kakulay. It's too dark for my skin na and yung pinaka-perfect match sa akin is actually si 112. Actually, not naman super perfect, but pinaka-close sa skin ko is 112. So, itong dalawa, pwede ko ipag-mix or kahit alone, pwede ko silang gamitin since malapit yung kulay. So, we also have here Pink Flash Foundation. And dito din, guys, magde-declutter ako ng dalawa. And that is yung shades number 1 and number 3. Shade number 1 kasi masyadong pink for my skin. Tapos yung shade number 3 is too warm. And para may reference kayo, ito yung swatches ng foundation. This is number 1, this is number 2, and this is number 3. I'm also going to declutter this one, guys, because I've only used this, I think, 3 times. Then after that, hindi ko na nagamit. So, di ba, sayang lang. Actually, maganda naman to eh. It's just that, ayun nga, I don't reach for it that often and I feel like for its price, maraming mas mura pero same lang yung performance or even better. Again, not a bad foundation. It's just that hindi ko siya preference and hindi ko ginagamit. I also have here the Spotlight Primetime Liquid Foundation. I have 2 shades and that is C Perfect Vanilla and C Perfect Nude. Magbabawas din ako ng isa dito and that is C Perfect Nude because as you can see guys sa swatches, sobrang dark ng Perfect Nude for my skin as in hindi siya match at all. Actually even si yung Perfect Vanilla masyado siyang yellow for my skin but I'm going to keep this because I feel like pwede ko naman siya ipang mix sa ibang shades. Pero maganda to guys, if you're looking for an affordable full coverage foundation na lightweight, maganda yung quality niya. It's just that the color selection is not that great. Unfortunately, hindi ganun kadami yung natanggal ko guys sa aking base or foundation collection but not bad kasi diba, at least ngayon meron ng space and yung mga shades na alam ko nga hindi naman perfect match for me maipapamigay ko na sa alam kong perfect match para sa kanila or magagamit sila. This time, dito naman tayo sa aking mga BB creams, CC creams, and also mga tinted sunscreen. So, I have here 2 BLK Cosmetics Skin Tint Sun Shield. This one is yung original and ito naman is yung illuminating and yung tatanggalin ko sa aking collection is the illuminating variant. And yung reason kung bakit is because mas prefer ko talaga tong ano guys, original. Mas maganda to guys, especially if you have oily skin. Tapos, na-notice ko din kasi na yung shades magkaiba. Mas yellow si illuminating. Pakita ko sa inyo. Look at that, diba? Even though pareho silang shade na vanilla, etong sa illuminating, mas yellow yung undertone compared sa original. And for me, mas prefer ko tong original and mas maganda yung itsura niya sa skin ko compared dito kay illuminating. So I also have here all of the shades ng EC & Co Skin Tint, and since sobrang dami and hindi ko naman magagamit lahat ng to since hindi ko naman ka-shade yung iba, I'm going to declutter some, and actually tatlo yung ibabawas ko. Ito yung tatlong shades na ikikeep ko sa aking collection. These are Hazel, Fawn, and Beach. Tapos yung 3 shades naman na tatanggalin ko from my collection is si Vanille, which is yung lightest, Brulee, and Sienna, which is yung 2 deepest colors sa 6. Hindi naman pa bago-bago yung skin color ko, kaya kailangan talagang bawasan ko. And eto nga ang tatlo yung napili ko. This next one is from Revlon, and this is their Candid Glow Moisture Glow Anti-Pollution Foundation. Ang haba, diba? And this foundation, yung reason kung bakit i-declutter ko siya is because mas okay to if you have dry skin or normal skin. If you have kasi oily skin tapos ginamit nyo to, it looks too oily. Hindi siya maganda. But for people with super nice skin na, maganda siya. Not me, so I need to let go. I know, not a lot as well, but still, diba? Nabawasan naman siya, so not bad. Dito naman tayo sa concealer collection ko mag-focus this time. And as you can see, ang daming shades na hindi for me, kaya kailangan ko din talagang bawasan to. So we have here 3 shades ng Super Stay Concealer from Maybelline, and magbabawas ako ng isa, and that is yung shade number 20. Because obviously, masyado siyang dark, hindi ko siya mapang-highlight or spot conceal, kaya I have to let go. And for your reference, swatch natin. This one is 20. This one is 15. Sorry, this one is number 10 pala. And yung last one is C15, which is yung favorite ko and ginagamit ko for highlighting. This one I'm keeping because pwede ko siyang gamitin for my lid as a primer. But this one talaga, hindi ko siya magagamit sa kahit saan kaya kailangan ko nang i-let go. This one is also from Maybelline. This is the Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand 20. And the reason why I'm decluttering this is because I feel like nag-iba yung kulay niya. Hindi ko alam kung ako lang yung naka-notice ha, but compared sa dating Sand na ginagamit ko, I feel like mas yellow yon. This one, tignan nyo, parang ang warm niya masyado, diba? Which is kind of weird. I don't know why. Even yung iba nila na shade dito, na-notice ko na parang sobrang naging dark. This one is from Careline at yung bago nilang Acne Spot Conceal, and magbabawas ako ng isa, and obviously yung tatanggalin ko is itong darkest. And this one is in the shade Cafe. Too dark siya for my skin, hindi ko siya mapapang-highlight, mapapang-spot conceal whatsoever, kaya tatanggalin ko na sa collection. So I also have here 3 shades ng Pink Flash na concealer, and magbawas tayo. Ito yung swatches ng concealer. This is shade number 1, this is number 2, and number 3. And for me, yung ikikip ko lang is si number 2. This one is too yellow, sobrang yellow niya actually. And this one naman, too pink. Kaya yun, goodbye na po kay number 1 and number 3. Hindi ko siya nakita guys kasi nasa gilid, but I also have here yung shade Natural ng Careline Acne Spot. It is obviously too dark for my skin, kaya I'm going to declutter this one as well. And eto guys, lahat ng concealer na tatanggalin ko from my collection. Again, not that much, but mga hindi ko shades, kaya I'm so happy pa din because finally, diba, mawawala na sa collection ko and hindi na ako mahihirapang maghanap or mag-decide ng gagamitin kong color. These are all of the powders that I own, and to be honest, I keep on using the same powders over and over again, kaya I feel like I don't need to have this much. Ito yung first powder na tatanggalin ko from my collection. This one is from Skin Potions, and yung tawag sa kanya is Extra Glow Dust. Unfortunately, the color is too dark for my skin. Halos kakulay niya na yung background ko, and kapag nilalagay ko sa face, medyo dark siya, kaya hindi ko magamit din, di ba? Sayang. Kaya yun, i-declutter na natin to. We also have here 2 powders from Careline. This one is yung Oil Control Mattifying Powder. I have the shades Sugar and Cinnamon. And yung tatanggalin ko sa collection ko is si Cinnamon because it's too dark and warm or yellow for my skin. Etong si Sugar, okay na okay siya sa akin pang set or pang bake. But this one, hindi ko siya magamit sa kahit anong purpose. So, I need to let go. Eto din guys, this one is from Mino Cosmetics. Actually, nice siya. But hindi ko masyadong nagagamit, kaya i-declutter ko na lang din kasi sayang naman, 'di ba, kung i-keep ko and ma-expire lang. Pero okay na okay to guys, para siyang RCMA. And also meron kasi akong RCMA kaya I feel like I don't need to have this one na. Again, maganda siya, it's just that hindi ko nagagamit. So, 'di ba, kasi masayang. Actually, you know what guys, ito lang pala yung tatanggalin ko sa collection ko because yung iba kasi dito nga, madalas kong gamitin, like, for example, etong si Nichido Final Powder. Ito kasi yung diba, powder ng bayan, kaya hindi pwedeng mawala sa collection. This one naman, hindi ko siya ma-let go because ginagamit ko to for my, Coty Air Spun. So basically, parang ko lang siya, pinagtatransferan, kaya I have to keep the jar. Moving on with pressed powders, these are all of the ones that I own. To be honest, medyo madami siya, medyo overwhelming. And paulit-ulit lang din kasi yung ginagamit ko dito kaya hopefully may ilan tayong mabawas. And ito yung first powder na tatanggalin ko from my collection. This one is from Perfect Diary and ito yung kanilang Card Captor Sakura na limited edition. Limited edition kasi ito guys, and ako mas prefer ko talagang nagki-keep ng mga product na hindi limited edition para 'di ba? If ever man, mabili nyo siya. Unlike this one, kapag ka nag-sold out, hindi nyo na mabibili. I also have here 2 shades ng Maybelline Superstay Foundation or Powder Foundation. This one is in the shade Natural Beige 220 and yung lightest is 115 Ivory. And for me guys, baliktad pala. But for me, ang ikikip ko is of course yung lightest because mas nagwo-work siya sa akin compared with this one. Na-notice ko na kapag ginagamit ko to, especially pang set, on top of foundation, mas nagda-dark yung kulay niya. Kaya, ayun, I have to let this one go. Pero maganda to ha, super nice ng quality niya. And kung naghahanap kayo ng powder na meron talagang coverage, isa to sa maire-recommend ko sa inyo. So we also have here 2 shades ng Vice Cosmetics Powder Foundation and yung itatanggal ko or tatanggalin. Itatanggal? Yung tatanggalin ko sa collection ko is this one. Ito yung shade na Kinesa kasi hindi ko siya nagagamit Kitang-kita naman, di ba? By the way, this one nga pala is yung shade na Putina Mez. This one I'm holding is from Cathy Doll. This is their Speed White Powder Pack. This one is in the shade Natural Beige. And as you can see, wait, hirap buksan, ayan. As you can see, too yellow siya for my skin. Hindi ko siya masyadong magamit for my under eye kasi yung bala ko talaga dito is pang highlight ng under eye. But whenever I use this, na-notice ko na parang sobrang yellow ng under eye ko. Kaya ayun, I need to let go na. Maganda to actually, super nice ng feeling niya sa skin. Sobrang pinong-pino yung powder. It's just that, ayan, tignan nyo, di ba? Masyadong madilaw siya. Ayan guys, ito lahat ng powder na tatanggalin ko from my collection. Again, yung reason lang naman is because most of them hindi ko kakulay. That's why I don't need to keep them, di ba? Kasi hindi ko din magagamit nga. These are all of my bronzer/contour and actually dalawa lang yung tatanggalin ko dito. And yung first one is si Pink Flash in number 2, I believe, which is yung darkest sa 3 or 2 meron sila. Tapos, yung second is the Revlon Skin Lights. This one is yung shade na number 120 Gilded Glimmer because as you can see, it is too glimmery, shimmery, sparkly, and makintab masyado. I don't know, I just don't see myself using this one, especially sa buong mukha. Siguro sa eyes pwede, but ang dami ko namang eyeshadow na ganitong shades kaya, di ba? Bakit ko pa to gagamitin? Kaya ayun guys, i-declutter na natin to. Sayang no? Bago pa lang parang sinwatch ko lang ata to, but ayun nga, hindi ko naman magagamit Actually guys, you know what? Ito din pala, yung Focallure na bronzer, i-declutter ko na siya because it's too warm for my skin and kapag ginagamit ko siya, kailangan talaga maingat and may iba naman ako doon na kahit diinan ko, okay lang yung color, kaya, di ba? Kasi mahasal ako. I-declutter ko na lang to or i-let go din. And here we have it guys. Unfortunately, 3 lang yung natanggal ko sa aking bronzer/contour collection. Ito naman lahat ng face palettes na meron ako guys. And let's see kung ilan yung mababawas natin. We have here 2 shades ng Perfect Diary face palette. This one is in the shades number 1 and number 3. Pink is number 1 and orange is number 3. Magbawas tayo ng isa. And for me, yung tatanggalin ko guys is itong si Pink. Because yung highlight dito is too silver sa skin ko. Tapos yung contour is masyado namang light. Maganda sana yung kulay ng blush. Kaya lang, di ba, isa lang yung magagamit ko dito. So parang what's the point of keeping them? Again, ito yung ikikip ko. This one is number 2. Sayang nga lang kasi yung blush dito hindi ko nagagamit. Or siguro ang gagawin ko na lang is tatanggalin ko yung blush dito kay number 1 tapos iso-switch ko siya dito. So we also have here the Squad Cosmetics Face Palette. This one is si Low-Key. Unfortunately, hindi ko na siya nagagamit although I love the blushes. Unfortunately, yung highlight and contour hindi match for my skin because yung contour is too red for me. Yung highlight is too silver. Kaya ayun guys, I'm just gonna let this one go. I am also going to declutter this one guys, the Ann Klutz X Vice Cosmetics Face Palette because hindi ko na siya nagagamit. Okay naman to and positive yung review ko, it's just that ayun nga, I don't want to keep it just for the sake of having it. Diba? Kaya masayang siya, ipamigay na lang natin sa alam nating magagamit siya. So yeah, ayun lang naman yung reason ko guys, kaya i-declutter ko. So we also have here the Super Tempting Cheek Palette ng VT Cosmetics and BTS, which is yung K-pop group. Ganito yung kulay niya inside. As you can see, too light, too pink, and parang amputla. Hindi ko siya nagagamit to be honest, and sayang naman, di ba? This next one is from Teviant, and ito yung kanilang Daity Dust Palette. Actually, sobrang nice ng blushes dito. Kaya lang medyo mahirap siyang gamitin because, di ba, walang dividers. Medyo hassle siya for me, kaya I think I'm just gonna let this one go. And yung color naman kasi ng blushes dito is not super kakaiba, kaya feeling ko kayang-kaya ko siyang i-dupe. Formula-wise, okay siya. It's really pigmented. It's easy to blend. It doesn't look chalky or powdery sa skin. I'm just not really a big fan of products na ganito yung layout or format. And here you have it, guys. These are all of the products na tatanggalin ko from my face palette collection. And I'm really happy kasi ang dami din nito, ha? Not bad, yung 5 pieces. Tsaka medyo pricey kasi yung ilan dito, kaya masakit i-let go, but I have no choice. I don't have space na, and ayun nga, ayoko ma-expire siya and masayang. These are all of my highlighters, and I know, sobrang dami niya for a person or for a single person, but this is my job, guys. Charot, excuse. But ayun nga, ang dami niya nakakaloka, and I want to declutter some, kaya let's do this. These are all of my Colorette shimmer tints, and dito sa isang to, guys, I think I'm going to declutter two, and yung mga shades na tatanggalin ko sa collection ko is si Tiger's Eye, which is yung darkest, and also si Rose Quartz, which is yung pink. Tapos yung shades na ikikeep ko sa aking collection is si Yellow Diamond and si Crystal Prism. I'm actually not the biggest fan of using liquid highlights because I feel like kapag ka nilalagay sa skin, natatanggal yung foundation or nababakbak. But you know, just for the sake of having liquid concealer, no, liquid highlight, ayan, mag-keep tayo ng dalawa. Tapos kapag ka hindi ko pa siya nagamit after a few months, I'm very sure tatanggalin ko na din sa collection ko to. So, ayun, tignan na lang natin. This next one is from Careline, and yung tawag sa kanya is Beam Stick. This one is in the shade Beam Stick. Kasi ayun yung tawag sa kanya. But anyway, this one actually brand new, and I feel like hindi ko magagamit because tignan nyo yung kulay. Parang masyado siyang golden for my skin. Kaya ipamigay na lang natin siya sa mas deeper yung kulay sa akin. So I also have here two shades ng Squad Cosmetics Baked Highlighter, and magkikip ako ng isa lang, and yung shade na tatabi ko is si Starlight, which is this one. Kasi ito yung maganda sa skin ko. Ito kasing shade na si Sunlight. As you can see, sobrang golden niya and medyo off yung kulay niya sa skin ko. Kitang-kita and obvious. This one as well, guys, the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlight. Dati sobrang love na love ko to, but lately na-notice ko na parang masyado na siyang pink for my skin. Kaya, ayun, ide-declutter ko na din siya. Pero maganda to, guys, ha? Sayang lang limited yung kulay because they only have two shades. This one and also yung parang bronzy na kulay. So, ayun, guys. I-declutter na natin to. So, we also have here another highlighter from Careline. This one is the Diamond Dreams Highlighter. This one is in the shade Front Seat, and actually nice naman siya, but hindi ko na nagagamit. Diba? So, i-declutter ko na lang. Tsaka marami ako mas prefer na highlighter compared with this one or to this one, kaya, diba? What's the point of keeping it also? These are all of the highlighters na aking tatanggalin from my collection. In terms of quality, to be honest, okay naman itong mga to. It's just that, ayun nga, the colors doesn't suit me anymore or hindi talaga match at all. Kaya I have to let go. Dito naman tayo sa isa sa mga pinakamahirap gawin, which is mag-declutter ng lipstick. But I have a strong feeling na medyo madami tayong mababawas dito. So, let's do this kasi ang dami nito eh. So, we have here 7 shades ng Fluff Matte of Sunny's Face, and ide-declutter ko na lahat to, guys. Sobrang tagal ko na kasi hindi nagagamit to, guys. And to be honest, parang hindi na ako ganun kaano sa brand. I don't know kung paano siya sabihin, but it's not something na I look forward to na. Even if may bago silang collection, alam nyo yun? I mean, cute yung aesthetic, cute yung packaging. I don't know, but yeah, ayun nga, ide-declutter ko na. So I also have here 3 lipsticks from Clio, and ide-declutter ko na. This one, ganito yung kulay niya. We also have this super bright color ng lipstick, orangey siya. And this one, na sinira ng kapatid ko ni Clarice dati. Tignan nyo naman, guys. Naputol siya. Actually, hindi naputol kasi nung sinarado niya nakabukas, kaya ayun. Anyway, ayun. I-declutter ko na itong tatlo. So, I also have here 4 shades ng Clio Mad Matte. Actually, super nice ng formula nito, but magbabawas ako ng 2 shades. And yung mga shades na yon are number 18, which is this one, and number 14. Masyado kasing orangey yung kulay nila for my preference. And yung ikikip ko are shades number 10 and number 9. Maganda formula nito, guys. Super duper creamy, hydrating, and hindi nakaka-emphasize ng texture. Eto din, guys, i-declutter ko na. These are from Squad. Eto yung soft matte lipstick in Romantic and Shine. Eto si Romantic and eto si Shine. And yung reason naman kung bakit ko i-declutter to is because I actually have some brand new of this one. Kaya ayun, de-declutter ko na tong luma. So I'm also going to declutter this one from L'Oreal. This is yung Spring Rosette na lipstick. Hindi ko siya nagagamit eh. Tsaka parang masyadong pangtita yung kulay. Kaya Ayun, i-let go ko na siya. Ito naman lahat ng BLK Cosmetics lipsticks na meron ako and magbawas tayo kasi hindi ko naman nagagamit ito lahat eh. So yung first two na tatanggalin ko sa aking collection is from the Solen Hues of Collection. And ito yung orangey na lipsticks. This one is Moonfire. And ito naman si Little Missy. Not my kind of shades kaya ila-let go ko na. This one also guys, si All Day Matte Lipstick in the shade My Love. This one is from their K-Beauty collection. Ila-let go ko. Tsaka itong si Pink Sapphire which is from their holiday collection. Ayan. Gonna let go as well. Tsaka ito guys, yung refill nilang lipstick in Cappuccino because hindi ko kulay. I mean, hindi siya yung klase ng shade na prefer ko. So I also have here a lipstick from Avon. This one is in the shade 509. It is too orange or brown for my liking. Brand new siya, hindi ko na isuswatch but ide-declutter ko. This next one is the EB Advance. I'm not sure kung ano yung tawag, but eto siya. In the shade Siesta, ide-declutter ko siya because why not? Masyadong matingkad yung kulay niya guys, kaya i-declutter na natin. This one is from BYS and yung tawag sa kanya is Luxe Lips na Ultra Matte Lipstick. Actually, maganda yung formula nito but magbawas tayo ng ilang shades kasi hindi naman lahat ng ito nagagamit ko. And right off the bat, alam ko nang tatanggalin ko tong shade na si Sweet Dreams because maputla and ang weird, ang off ng kulay. And also this one guys, si Illusion. I think I'm gonna let go as well. Yep, sige. De-declutter ko na siya. I want to be brutal, charot. Another shade na i-let go ko is si Hypnotize. Because I feel like once ko lang itong nagamit or siguro sinwatch ko lang. These are my 3 Ara Colors lipsticks and magbabawas ako ng isa. And yung shade na tatanggalin ko sa collection ko is si Rome, which is the red shade. Ayan guys, ito yung kulay niya. Maganda naman yung kulay niya, sobrang classic, but ang dami ko na kasing ganitong kulay, kaya, di ba? Actually, you know what guys? Pati si Madrid, ila-let go ko na itong shade na to. So ayun, isa na lang natira, and that is si Florence. I also have here this Butter London lipstick in the shade Fab. Hindi ko siya nagagamit. Ganito yung kulay niya, and ide-declutter ko na. Ganda pa naman ang packaging niya kasi magnetic siya, but diba, aanhin ko naman yung packaging kung hindi ko gusto yung kulay. And here we go guys. These are all of the lipsticks na tatanggalin ko from my collection and I'm so happy because finally, ang dami nang nabawa sa isang category. Medyo masakit sa puso TBH, but again, I'm not gonna use this, so what's the sense of keeping them, diba? Tsaka material things lang naman to, mapapalitan siya and panigurado, may mga bagong dadating, di ba? Dito naman tayo ngayon sa mga multi-use products na meron ako. And as you can see, medyo madami siya and hopefully, may ilan tayong mabawas. I have here 2 shades ng BLK Cosmetics Exolen na multi-use paint, pot, whatever, I'm not sure kung ano yung tawag. Magbabawas ako ng isa and yung tatanggalin ko from my collection is yung shade na Mystic Dreamer. Ito yung sobrang orange na mga kulay. Again, not my kind of shades and for me, mas prefer ko si Free Spirit, which is yung mga mauvey na pinky shades. So I also have here 6 shades ng Maybelline Sensational Liquid Mattes and magbabawas ako. Ito yung mga shades na tatanggalin ko from my collection. This one is si Sensationally Me. We also have here the shade Easy Made or Made Easy. And yung last one is Best Babe. So I also have here 4 shades ng Colorette Color Snap and magbabawas ako. Actually, isa lang yung ititira ko and yung shade na iiwan ko sa collection ko is si Beachy, which is this one. So I also have here the Happy Skin On The Go Blush. This is a cream blusher. I have 4 shades and iswatch muna natin. This one is si Salty. We also have the shade Coconut. This one is called Pink Fizz. And last shade is called Sunset. At yung dalawang shades na tatanggalin ko from my collection, this one is si Coconut and eto naman si Salty. Etong dalawa yun guys, Coconut and Salty. So I also have here the BLK Airy Matte Lip Tint, I believe yung tawag, and magbabawas ako ng 3 dito. And eto yung 3 shades na tatanggalin ko from my collection. First one is si Terracotta. Ayan siya. Second is Clay, which looks like this. Tapos third one is si Maple. And ito yung swatch niya. Dito din sa Squad Cosmetics Multi-Use Cream, magbabawas ako ng 3 shades. So, pipili muna ako tapos babalik na lang ako. Nakapili na ako ng 3 shades na tatanggalin ko from my collection. First one is si Blight. Ito yung swatch niya. Another shade I'm decluttering is Fancy, which is yung medyo orangey. And yung last one is si Cherry, which looks like this. These are all of the products na tatanggalin ko from my multi-use collection and I'm so happy kasi ang dami nito guys. I'm so proud of myself kasi ngayon parang hindi na ako nasasaktan kapag nagbabawas ako ng products. Unlike before, talagang sobrang sakit sa puso tapos talagang back and forth ako sa pag-iisip. More lip products to declutter, nakakaloka. And mag-start tayo dito sa aking Strokes Beauty na Click Stick. So I have here 6 shades and yung target ko is magbawas ng half. First shade na ide-declutter ko is si Spice. So another shade is Vittoria and also the shade Contessa, ide-declutter ko. So I have here 6 colors ng Mersey Official Velvet Tint. And dalawa lang yung ikikip ko. And yung mga shades na yon is si 13 and also si 14. And for your reference, eto yung swatches nila, guys. Hindi ko na iso-swatch, guys, kasi mag-sustain siya. So, these are all of my Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick and let's declutter some. Eto yung dalawang shades ng Superstay Matte Ink na tatanggalin ko, si 220 and 265. These are all of my Easy & Co. Mousse Lipsticks. And I think I want to declutter 2 or 3. I think yung first one is si Sweet Talk. Ayan, de-declutter ko siya kasi parang masyadong bright for my liking. So, another shade na ila-let go ko is si Babe. Let's see. I-swatch muna natin. Nope, this one is nice. I-keep natin siya. I think si All That. Feeling ko hindi ko masyadong magagamit to. Yup, this one. Ida-declutter ko. And also si Fatal. Sabi ng iba Fatal daw, but I think Fatal. Ayan guys, eto si Fatal. I'm also going to declutter a few shades from my Happy Skin Lip Mallow collection because to be honest, I don't need a lot of these shades and hindi ko naman nagagamit lahat eh. So first shade na tatanggalin ko sa collection ko is this one. Yung shade na to is si Truffle. Chai Latte, ida-declutter ko din siya. And also si Iced Coffee. These ones are from BLK at yung soft matte mousse nila, limited edition siya. And ida-declutter ko na. Eto si Moonstone and also si Rose Quartz. Ayan guys, ito yung swatch. Hindi ko na din kasi nagagamit eh, so ayun. Ito din guys, yung Perfect Diary na soft matte something in the shade 600. Ito yung sa Sakura collection, limited edition, ide-declutter ko. These ones as well from random brands, ide-declutter ko. Ito yung Leticia na Frida Cosmetics. This one is the Kathy Doll Lip and Cheek Creamy Matte in Can. Pink Flash in the shade R02 and brand new na EB Blush Rush. These are the total amount of lipsticks na tinanggal ko from my collection. And again, combination siya ng mga mousse lipsticks, lip tint, and regular or standard na matte lipstick. You guys have no idea kung gaano kagaang sa feeling na makitang mas maluwag na yung space and also alam mong yung mga hindi mo ginagamit, di ba? Matatanggal na sa gamit mo. She's so brutal or whatever. Charot. These are all of my lip gloss naman and I feel like dito guys, konti lang yung babawas ko because most of these ginagamit ko talaga. So, I'm just gonna be right back and ipapakita ko yung mga tatanggalin ko from this drawer or no, from this organizer. And here we go guys. These are all of the lip glosses and also mga tinted lip screen or sunscreen lip tint, whatever, natatanggalin ko from my collection. And as you can see, most of them mga dark colors. For me kasi guys, mas prefer ko talagang gumagamit ng mga light colors when it comes sa lip gloss. Kung clear, mas okay. And ayun nga, I don't see myself using these anytime soon. So we have here 2 shades ng Colorette Gloss in the shades Blanket and Show Sundown. This next one is the Elana Satin Stain Shine in Positive Vibes Spiced Brown. We also have the Perfect Diary Glossy Tint in the shade H14. This next one is from the Sunbeam Factory. Yung shade niya is Solar Flare. I'm also going to let go of my BLK Tinted Balm in Very Berry, BLK Tinted Lip Balm in the shade Wondermelon, and also Sunglow X Fresh Tinted Lip Screen in the shade Sunkissed. Again, hindi lang ako mahilig sa mga dark shades ng ganitong product, that's why I'm letting them go. But in terms of formula, actually okay itong mga to. Eto naman guys, lahat ng mga eyeliners, brow products, random eye stuff na ide-declutter ko from my collection. And yung reason ko dito is because most of these expired na, yung iba naman dry na. Para itong isang to guys, hindi ko kasi ginagamit, kaya sinama ko na din. But ayun nga, most of these talaga tuyo na and kailangan ko nang itapon since hindi ko na magagamit din eh. Pahabol declutter guys. So I found these pieces from my collection and I feel like hindi ko rin naman gagamitin itong mga to, kaya I decided to let go of them na din. So we have here 2 lipsticks from Clio. This one is from BLK, Maybelline. We have Perfect Diary lipsticks. This one is from Avon. This is an Inga foundation and also an Elana na compact. And here you have it guys. These are all of the makeups na tatanggalin ko from my collection. I know, super dami niya. But again, hindi ko nagagamit itong mga to. Some of them are brand new pa nga actually. And ayoko silang mapunta sa waste. Ayoko ma-expire sila and masayang, di ba? So instead of keeping them just for the sake of keeping and just for the sake of saying na meron ako nito. I'm gonna give these to my family and friends. And unfortunately guys, for those of you na baka mag-request na manghingi, hindi ko maipapamigay itong mga to sa inyo. And the reason why is because may pandemic tayo ngayon guys, and I don't want sharing something, especially yung mga personal na bagay like this one, sa mga taong hindi ko kilala. So yeah, ayun lang naman yung reason guys. I don't want to, give something tapos baka mamaya magkaroon ng problema, blah blah blah. But don't worry guys, because magkakaroon naman ako ng giveaway, so abangan nyo na lang yon because doon, lahat ng mga ipapamigay ko brand new. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa video natin. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and I hope to see all of you again on my next one.